mastership program on its way right now. Master Track 5, I believe, is we're getting ready to get that cranked up. So sign up, get it done. Anyway, while attending these Master Track meetings with Carol, she'd usually bring our group up to date on the challenges our profession were facing through the eyes of the National AGD, the Georgia AGD, the Georgia Board of Dentistry, the GDA, and sometimes other local issues that were important. But most all the time, I was amazed how knowledgeable Carol was on all these subjects and wondered how in the world that I know so little about the world around me. But Carol finally perked my interest enough that I felt I could play a part in organized dentistry along the lines where I felt most comfortable, and that's continuing education, and why we all are here today, for sure. I know I'm strange, but I love CE and practicing dentistry over the last 25 years. Watching dentistry change like it has truly been rewarding for me. I love the changes. I enjoy working every day. I love learning about new technology, new techniques, new ideas, really just about all of it. In fact, since I bring something new all the time to the office, we call it New Day, New Way. So I decided I'd get involved with the AGD because my passion was continuing education. You know, the AGD's brand tagline is "Your voice for excellence through education and advocacy." Only thing is, I don't really like politics. But as I have found out, the politics is really the fun stuff. For the first time, I've been able to see how it really works, and it's amazing to see what a difference we all can make if we get involved. So our voices really do count. During my tenure, I hope to strengthen our leadership by filling every committee position we have. If you have a special interest or talent you would like to share, please contact any of the board members you see here today or executive office staff members you see and let them know. We want your input and we want your participation. We're working hard right now to fill these positions, and a list of these committees are on each one of your tables. So please take a look at that. And before you leave this room today, write your name down in the area that you're most interested in. Most of these committees will not demand a lot of your time, but your talent is crucial to the business of this academy. Please take a look and give back to your academy. Your contribution means more to this organization than you know, so get involved. Really, you'll be surprised how good it feels. Secondly, I hope to engage the younger members of our profession who will be our future. Through the efforts and success of our fellow track program at GRU, we've added 2 student leaders to our board. This effort allows their perspective and input to our ever-changing profession. The fellow track program at GRU provides our youngest members with an early start on their progress toward fellowship in the AGD, a step towards lifelong learning and recognition. In addition, our Early Career Dentist Symposium held each year is designated for those dentists that are less than 5 years out of dental school and gives them and those of us that are a little more seasoned the opportunity to learn strategies for a successful career in dentistry. Thirdly, I want to identify the future needs of our members in all stages of practice. With the AGD Mentor Program, the younger dentists can get expert career guidance. For the mid-career dentists, advance your career by partnering with a mentor or mentee. Recruit new members to the AGD or get to know the volunteer leaders with the AGD and get involved. As for the experienced dentist, meet and or exceed your professional goals by earning your fellowship or mastership, or be recognized as a lifelong learner and service volunteer. Or go share your knowledge and expertise by mentoring a dental student or recent graduate member, and maybe you can learn a thing or two along the way. Fourthly, I want to reach out to the GDA in a synergistic and collaborative way to effectively be the voice of general dentists. Dentistry in the United States is in a period of transformation. The healthcare delivery system is changing rapidly with the implementation of the Affordable Care Act. There are an increasing number of dentists being trained, but mounting educational debt and changing demographics are altering practice choices for these new dentists. Pressures are growing for an expanded dental team through mid-level providers to provide preventative and restorative services, and this is a critical time in dentistry and not a time for complacency. We need a united voice in dentistry to assist the profession in defining its own destiny. It's time to mend the fences so that the Georgia AGD can be an effective voice for general dentists in our state. And lastly, with the return of the Board of Dentistry to Atlanta, it is my hope to monitor the Board of Dentistry through a recruitment of a dental board liaison to attend meetings and report back to us, the Georgia AGD. This is another important aspect of being the voice of the general dentist. State dental boards have an incredible impact on daily practice, perhaps more so than any other group. It's important that our organization have a relationship with the dental board and be familiar with their agendas and procedures. I'd like to thank Carol and all the leaders before me for getting me involved with such an amazing group of people who are equally passionate about this great profession and this academy. And for the short time I have served on the Georgia AGD board, I have learned so much and am constantly amazed at the enthusiasm those involved continuously show. I am humbled you entrust me to carry forward the mission of this amazing association, and I will work hard to continue its interest to represent the advocacy for general dentists of Georgia and to foster quality continuing education to better serve ourselves and our patients. And I do thank you.